And anything who? How many bag for? Okay, 15 bag. So bad a lot. So bad a lot. Chicken. No, na apụta ọ dị n'oge today, sha, but as well.
Aftakwa n'oge ma ọjị na eji agụgụ ebe a ọjị
na mgbago ya
ebe a aja ka anyị na-arụ ọrụ ndị ọrụ
okay
na mgbago ka anọji
ama
na ebe ahụ arụ ọrụ
okay ngwa nsogbu adịlọ na
aja agụgụ ebe nke
nsogbu adịlọ
ngwa
okay So right now I'm just switching channels. You can see where the second one, this one is at the entrance of the gate to enable our clients know what is actually happening at the site. You can see the camera. This is a very high quality camera. These are not like all those ones that you guys are buying at the market. You understand? Based on the grade, this is a very good camera. One is stable, the other one is rotating 360, and I can communicate with them. Now I can actually call and confirm how many blocks, because based on the loads and quality that I need, because I've actually seen their hands. You know, all these bricklayers, their hands always differs. So what I need is like one bag to be giving me 35, nothing more than 35. So let me call on this guy now. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Okay, go akan na-ekene. Good morning, good morning. Ọlụ na-agakwa? Gị nwa ji shovel ka m na-ajụ. Ọlụ a na-agakwa? Okay, then akwa one bag ka imi isele ife a? Akwa one bag ka imi isele ife a? Mba, gị nwa ka m na-ajụ. Gị nwa ka m na-ajụ. Gị nwa. Akwa one bag ka imi isi. Akwa one bag ka ị na-eme isi ife a? One bag now, how many blocks how many blocks can you produce? How many blocks? How many blocks? Ogashinedu.
Hello?
Ogashinedu. Nna how many blocks can na akpọzi now? Ka ọ na-akpụ per bag. Ọzụkwa ife mụ na gị karị.
35 one bag.
35 nsogbu adịlọ. Nsogbu adịlọ. Ọ dị too much. Ọ nọ 35 ọ dị okay. I just nchọ ka confirm more because the ratio of sand dị ebe. If I nwee ike inye ya 36 or 37, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. 35 dị mma. 35 dị mma. Nwa jinu m na go decide kịta. Mgbe ọ na-ese mụ nekwa na-ekwadokwa na mụ bịawa. But I'll communicate with you. Material you born with some materials here, but so I'll communicate with you, man. They are not big here.
measure material there was
Yes, yes. Okay. As you can see, it will always start with the fabrication and at the same time your choice of camera. And depending on your choice of camera, this particular camera has a lot of grades, okay? There are original ones and there are some other fake ones. Because you know that within Nigerian market, anything that works, immediately the business people start flowing into the fake one. Okay, and it is always very good for you to ensure that you have a very good PTZ 4G camera, the original one, to enable the camera to access like internet connection and at the same time the quality so that it can last and give you optimal response. And what you are seeing now, you are seeing a lot of poles. Those things are work that you are still going to go for, that we are still going to install. But right now, this is the installation process. There are some other things that you have to do in order to ensure that this thing is working properly. Okay, then aside from most of our other things, we have actually done our configuration already to configure the camera to acclimatize it immediately with the entire surroundings. Okay, and also we are going to be installing a solar system street light so that it can enhance visibility at night at this site. Okay, so we have two of this camera coming to this particular location, and you can actually call on us as regards to your security and surveillance camera so that it can be installed for you, so that it can be able to monitor anything from across the globe, like wherever you are. Once we give you the login and your access, you can actually, you saw how I was communicating with people, you can actually always communicate and know what is happening within your surroundings. Your distance is not even a barrier. What matters is the quality of the camera and the people who are going to come and install it. Because in some cases, people once they tell you guys the price of the camera, people will start running helter skelter here, and at the end of the day, you buy a camera, a low grade camera. Once it is installed, you start calling the person that this camera that has been installed is no longer communicating, but you are the one that chose it. You know, when we tell you what is in the market, just ensure that actually the services that you pay for is what you'll be getting. So right now you can see that we already done with the settings, and we're actually mounting the camera, positioning the angle where it's going to be. And you know, here we have actually mixed our cement, dug the hole, so they will be filling it immediately to ensure that it will remain like stable and not, you know, fragile. So here also we're actually I'm actually trying to like set the direction of the camera to ensure that I'm actually capturing the proximity which I want to be capturing at this work site. And although this is my site as well, if you don't know, I'm engineer Chibweze of BKZ. So we are into property construction and real estate agency that we do verification, property listing, and buying and selling of properties as well. I'll see you guys in my next video.